Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So let's start with this portrait. So I'm starting with the edges of the sides of the nose because I want to paint eyes first. So I'm clearing that stuff out. So if you're an artist and you're having a hard time painting portraits, so my advice is first look, study, and then try to paint. Don't look, paint, look, paint. That's what I've been doing, and I had a really hard time. Since a long time, since like a year now, I've been trying to focus on what I see, and then I paint. So yeah, keep your colors decided. Don't go overboard with the colors. Like keep 2 to 3 shades of light and 2 to 3 shades of saturated and 2 to 3 shades of dark to paint a face. I think that those are enough, unless you're a really good artist and you wanna like paint, add reflection and stuff. So I'm using different shades of pink. I'm keeping it rather light. Yeah, here for the neck area we'll have to go dark, but we'll go dark near the edge and then go slowly go light, as you can see. Now for the rest of the neck, since the shadows won't be going forever, we'll start with the rest of the neck. Now try and keep hard edges for portraits. For practice, I'd say do not smudge. For this is my practice, so I'm not smudging at all. I'm using different opacities, different shades to blend in. I'm not gonna smudge at all. Eyes came out pretty good. I'm really proud of the eyes. I'm using a light shade of blue for the white part. I forgot the name. And for the iris, I'm using whatever the reference had. She's a K-pop idol, really pretty. For hair, my advice is it's really important. I've heard a lot, but I've never used the advice. I don't know. But the thing is, start with blocks of hair, layers of hair. I don't mean layers like layers on Procreate. The ones go on top of each other. Layers of hair. So try and paint a lock of hair, and then another lock, and then another lock. Do not do single hair strands. Single hair strands can be done, but it for the background that you blur at the end or at the edge of the head, where we can always see a somewhat of single hair strands falling out. That is fine, but for the main body of hair, try and paint lock of hairs. They go dark at the edges, saturated in the middle, and even lighter to have that shine in the middle. Three advice. First, for hair, try and do lock of hairs. Second, do not smudge. Try different opacities, different shades to blend in the colors. And third, use hard edges. Try these things. Let me know what you guys think. Share your art with me on Instagram or wherever you can find me. Like, share, subscribe. Share, please share with your friends and subscribe. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys liked. Bye.